Will AI take your job? The trust nobody is talking about. Let me start with something that might surprise you. AI is not coming for your job, at least not in the way most people think. Every day I see headlines saying AI will replace marketers, AI will replace accountants, AI will replace developers, AI will replace customer service. But I think most people are asking the wrong questions. The real question is not, will AI replace my job? The real question is, what happens when my competitors start using AI better than I do? Because that's already happening. The company growing fastest right now, not replacing people. They're removing friction. They're removing repetitive tasks. They're removing slow decision making. And that's exactly what we are going to talk about today. In this video, I want to show you three things. Number one, what AI is actually replacing right now. Number two, which jobs are becoming more valuable because of AI. Number three, what business owners and employees should do today if they want to stay relevant over the next 5 years. Let's begin. AI is not replacing people. It is replacing friction. Everyone says AI is replacing jobs. I disagree. AI is replacing friction. Think about it. 20 years ago, you needed a travel agent to book a flight. Today, you do it yourself. The travel industry didn't disappear. It evolved. The same things is happening now in marketing, for example. AI create reports. AI can analyze data. AI can identify trends. AI can even suggest optimizations. But here, the important part, somebody still has to decide what matters. Somebody still has to understand the business. Somebody still has to define the strategy. AI is becoming the worker. Humans are becoming the supervisors, and that's a huge difference. If your job is repeating the same task every day, AI is a superpower. Point number two. Here's something most people don't understand. The most valuable skill in the next decade will not be coding. It will not be prompting. It will not even be AI. It will be judgment. Because AI can generate 100 ideas, but I cannot always tell you which idea is best for your business. AI can analyze millions of data, but it doesn't know your profit margins. It doesn't know your company culture, doesn't know your long-term vision, and that's where humans still win. The people who will become extremely valuable are people who understand business, people who understand customers, people who understand systems, people who understand how to make decisions. The future belongs to people who know how to collaborate with AI, not compete against it. Point number three, what should you do right now? What should business owners do? And what should employees do? First, stop trying to fight AI. The battle is already over. Instead, ask, how can AI make me more productive? Second, learn to manage system instead of task. Don't become the person doing the work. Become the person managing the process. Third, focus on skills that AI struggle with. Leadership, strategy, communication, negotiation, creativity, critical thinking. These skills are becoming more valuable, not less. And finally, use AI every day. The people who use AI once a month will be replaced by people who use it every day. Not by AI itself, by people who learned how to work with it. So, will AI take your job? Maybe. But not because AI is smarter than you, because someone else learned how to use it better. The future is not AI versus human. The future is humans with AI versus humans without AI. And that changes everything. If you found this useful, let me know in the comments. What is the biggest fear you have about AI today? I'd love to hear your perspective.